Welcome to computer-based training designed and produced by Ismaila BH as we present Microsoft Office Excel 2021 training series titled Descriptive Statistics in Microsoft Office Excel 2021. So the objective for this training includes but not limited to performing a descriptive statistical test from the data analysis tool in Microsoft Office Excel 2021. So to enable us to start properly, we'll be using an Excel spreadsheet that we already have for a template. So from this work environment, the first thing we'll do is to slide our mouse pointer to the ribbon and click on the data tab. Now once you click on the data tab, you discover that of all these groups you have here, we don't have data analysis tool, so we'll have to activate it. And to activate it, step 1, we'll click on file. Once you click on file, it displays the file page. You then go down and click on more. Once you click on the more link, it displays menu, it displays its content, you have account and option. We'll now click on options. Straight ahead, once you click on options, we'll give it some few seconds. It activates the options dialog box, from where we'll then click on add-ins. Once we click on the add-ins link, it displays the add-ins dialog box, where we'll get to see the active application add-in, of which analysis toolpack is not part of it, and at the middle we'll see inactive. Directly beneath inactive we have analysis toolpack. We'll then click on analysis toolpack. Once you click on analysis toolpack, we'll then slide our mouse pointer to the bottom of this Excel options dialog box and click on go. Once we click on go, it activates the add-ins available dialog box, where we'll then click on the checker box directly beside analysis toolpack. Once we click on it, analysis toolpack has been highlighted. We'll slide our mouse pointer to the right and click on OK. Once we click on OK, we'll give it some few minutes to process, and straight ahead you realize it has automatically activated the data analysis toolpack. Now you notice that the last group here is now analysis group, and what we have displayed there is the data analysis tool. We then click on it. As soon as we click on it, we'll give it some few seconds. Alright, we now have a data analysis dialog box, and as you can see we have different tests displayed. We'll then click on descriptive statistics. That's the test we intend performing. Once we click on it, we then click on OK to the right. Straight ahead, as soon as we click on OK, so now we have our descriptive statistics dialog box, and you notice that our cursor is blinking within the insertion point for input range. So what is our input range? We then slide our mouse pointer and click on cell B2 containing the first content, which is the title of our data. We then press shift down arrow key to select the range of cells containing the values that we intend using to perform our tests. Now you realize the input range now displays $B $2 colon $B $9. We then slide our mouse pointer further and click on the checker box beside labels in first row. Once we check this option, we're notifying the application that the first row actually contains the title of our data. Furthermore, we will then come to output options. As you can see my mouse pointer, under output options we have output range, we have new worksheet and new workbook. We then click on the first option. Once you click, the dialog box collapses. Yeah, it has now appeared. We then slide our mouse pointer and click on the insertion point for output range. So what is the output range? We'll now click on cell D2. This is where we want the output of the analysis for this data to be displayed. After which we then come to the bottom left of our dialog box and check on the option summary statistics, after which we'll check on confidence level. So we've checked on our confidence level. We're assuming it's 95%. We then click on KTH largest, after which we'll click on KTH smallest. Now we're assuming that the parameters for these two entities, KTH largest and smallest, are all 1 and confidence level is 95%. But in reality, you'll be told what your confidence level should be, and also your KTH largest and smallest. At this stage, we are done. We'll just click on OK. And straight ahead, as soon as we click on OK, you'd realize straight ahead the application has displayed our descriptive statistics analysis. Now, if I should double click on the margin line demarcating column D from E, once I double click, you realize it expands to display its content. So you would notice at this stage that mean for this range of data, the mean is actually 59.142. Standard error, you have 9.890. Median 59. Mode not available. Standard deviation, what we have there is 26.16887. Sample variance 684.8095. Curtices minus 0.994. Skewness minus 0.13775. Range 74. Minimum we have 20, maximum 94, sum 414, count 7. Largest we have 94, smallest we have 20, and confidence level at 95% gave us 24.20216. This is how we perform descriptive statistics tests, generating facts from figures using our data analysis tool in Microsoft Office Excel 2021. It brings us to the end of this training. Many thanks for viewing Descriptive Statistics. You can call or send us a WhatsApp. Send Ismaila BH a WhatsApp message on either of these lines, or an email to ismailab77bh, ismailab877@gmail.com. Hope this training has been informative for you. Thanks for viewing.